If you're looking for some cheap, low-carb, high-protein meal ideas to help you lose weight, then look no further. These meals are loaded with veggies, meat, and healthy fats that make great options for those who are losing weight. Furthermore, they're easy to cook, affordable, and totally delicious. Stay tuned to learn more. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 1. White lasagna stuffed peppers. With only a couple of ingredients and a very straightforward preparation, these white lasagna stuffed peppers would make a delicious dinner for a busy night. To make these, simply cut open the yellow peppers and fill them with some ground turkey, ricotta cheese, garlic, salt, and mozzarella. Number 2. Greek-style tuna salad. Canned tuna should be one of your kitchen staples if you're going to be on a low-carb diet for a long time. The green-style tuna salad is super easy. Just dice up your favorite veggies and toss them together with tuna, lemon juice, and olive oil to create a fresh and flavorful salad. Number 3. Lemon garlic chicken with green beans. Have you tried making your own cutlets from chicken breasts? Simply put each breast on the cutting board and with your knife parallel to the board, cut through the skinny side of the chicken in one smooth motion. For the side dish, cook the green beans in the same pan as the chicken. Do you have some leftover chicken? You'll need that for the next meal idea. Number 4. Pesto chicken cauliflower rice. This is a really easy, healthy meal idea. Made mostly with vegetables, pesto, garlic, cheese, and chicken, this healthy dish would surely have your mouth watering. And of course, we can't forget the main highlight, which is the cauliflower rice. You can opt for a store-bought or make your own cauliflower rice. Number 5. Baked salmon with roasted red pepper sauce. Packed with healthy fats and protein, salmon is a smart dinner staple on high-protein, low-carb meal plans. Not to mention, it's super easy and is done in less than 30 minutes. The zesty cream sauce gives you a restaurant-quality flavor through the help of some pantry staples such as paprika, crushed red pepper, nuts, and jarred roasted red peppers. Number 6. Salmon salad with avocado and tomatoes. One of the best things about salmon is that it's high in protein. What's more, it's brimming with inflammation-fighting omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to improve heart health. You should also add avocado for healthy fats, tomatoes for a generous dose of vitamins, almonds for some crunch, and your favorite cheap greens to up the fiber content for an even more satisfying meal. You know what's great to pair with those meals without jeopardizing your weight loss efforts? Try coconut water. Not only does it curb your appetite, but it also promotes good skin. Click here to know more about the benefits of drinking coconut water every day.